Could changing your carb intake day to day actually boost your performance in the gym? This is called carb cycling, where you eat more carbs on training days and fewer on rest days. The goal is to fuel your hardest workouts with plenty of energy while keeping your weekly calories in check. Research even shows that not having enough carbohydrates on training days can impair both performance and subsequent recovery. This is why it makes sense to have more carbs on your training days and less on your non-training days. But carb cycling isn't the answer for everyone. If you just go to the gym a few times a week, the effect is probably negligible. But if you're someone who's training very hard and for a long duration, or if you're doing both strength training and a lot of cardio, then carb cycling could definitely be helpful. But how much should you then change your carb intake between training and non-training days? This is very person dependent. For many, somewhere between a 300 to 1000 calorie difference could be useful. But this also depends on if you, for example, is highly active or does a lot of activity on your non-training days. Also, if you're dieting, it can make sense to increase the gap between training and non-training days, where if you're struggling with getting enough food in, then that gap may need to be smaller.